So in today's video, we will be talking about VFS passport stamping, COVID-19 passport and stats of new cases in Canada and India both. So guys, welcome to my channel VCan. So like always, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Without wasting any more time, let's start with our video. So guys, coming to our first point related to passport submission services. So many students were inquiring about the passport submission. So related to this, VFS Global has recently tweeted that passport submission services remain suspended until further notice. In continuation, they have also said that currently appointments are open for student category only, and we are working on a phase wise reopening and will share any further updates soon. So let's be hopeful that they will start with their passport submission services in a week or two. और गाइस स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने 14th जून को अपने अपॉइंटमेंट्स बुक किए थे उन्हें कंफर्मेशन मेल्स नहीं आए थे. सो रिलेटेड टू द क्लैरिफिकेशन, VFS ग्लोबल ने कहा है ड्यू टू द हाई वॉल्यूम ऑफ पेंडिंग एप्लीकेशंस वी मे टेक अप 2 to 4 working days to confirm your appointments. So guys, let's be hopeful that we get confirmations in 2 to 4 working days of time. Further, Canada and India ने just recently tweet किया है VACs are receiving many requests for biometric data collection appointments from non-student applicants, causing significant processing delays. Non-student applicants will fill out the web form, will not get biometric appointments, and the request will not be kept. So a humble request to non-student that please आपके लिए services अभी के लिए तो start नहीं हुई है, but let's be hopeful कि आगे जाके वो भी services start हो जाएगी. Further, Canada India ने assured भी किया है कि rest assured our VACs will open to other categories. Moving on to a second point related to COVID passport. There's a lot of debate and confusion going as to how a vaccination certificate will be linked to a passport. So related to that, Public Safety Minister has indicated that the country is working to embed vaccine certification within the ArriveCan app, an application which has been used throughout the pandemic by travelers entering Canada to submit their data in advance of their arrival. In addition, Canadian government officials have also confirmed that, at least in the beginning, only vaccines approved in Canada will be accepted when showing proof of vaccination. This includes Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So guys, if it happens to be true, then it's a very good news for us as a student, as we need to only upload a vaccination certificate in the ArriveCan before traveling. So moving on to our third point, daily COVID cases. So in last 24 hours, India has recorded only 62,400 cases. So there is a decline, a steady decline in the cases. On the other hand, Canada has recorded 1,107 cases in last 24 hours. So you can see that there is a downward trend of new COVID cases. So let's be hopeful of hearing some other good news in future. So that's all for today. Thank you.